Nahihirapan ka bang matulog? Listen up. Sleeping in a cooler room is not just a nice to have. It triggers real biological changes backed by research. Cooler sleep environments help your core body temperature drop at night, which supports faster sleeping and deeper restorative sleep by enhancing your melatonin signaling. In humans, sleeping in milder cold conditions around 19 degrees Celsius for weeks increase the volume and metabolic activity of your brown adipose tissue. This is the good fat. This is the fat that burns calories. And while they do that, they burn calories to generate heat and improve glucose metabolism, a real effect shown in controlled study where brown fat volume rose 42% and metabolic activity increased by 10% after sustained cooler nights. Sleep cool.